All right. So we were doing this worksheet. So remember the rules. Can you tell me what was the rule for addition and subtraction? जी
Yes,
जी
ma'am. Ma'am, like integers, then we will add them, and the sign will stay same.
right.
And if they're unlike integers, we subtract the numbers, and we will give the sign of the bigger number.
That's right. Very good. So we will use this knowledge to solve this question. So this time the trick in the question is that we need to find out the missing values. So I hope you can see the screen bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with question number 1. So now we need to find out the second integer here, and we know the answer as well. So what should be added in -6 so that it is converted in -3? So first of all, we will see okay, 6 is converted to 3. So do you think that they should be like integers or unlike integer?
Unlike integers.
Unlike integer. Very good. So we know that the sign should be plus,
Mm, yes.
right? So now
Uh,
what should be the
plus three,
number?
ma'am. Three.
3. Very good. So plus 3, right? -6 plus 3 is -3. So now can you solve this also? Second one, 3 plus some another integer is -6.
Ma'am, minus 3.
-3 होगा तो ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. This is a 0 pair. Like +3 -3. The answer is 0.
And minus
So but you
6.
need
Minus
minus
6.
अगर -6 करेंगे तो +3 -6. So unlike integers हैं, साइन तो सही है माइनस, बट 6 - 3 is 3. इसका आंसर तो -3 हो जाएगा.
Ma'am, 9. 9.
Excellent. So it should be 9.
9.
Minus is correct, but 9. ठीक है. So you can do the rough work like this so that you are sure your answer is correct. So it should be -9. So देखिए 3 sorry. So 3. So now this -3 will make this 0, and then we need -6 because the answer should be -6, right? Are we clear कि how we have adjusted the value?
Yes.
So now the third one, -8 turned into -14. So what do you think will happen? What should come here?
Ma'am, mm, they should be like terms because we are
That's
adding
right.
them. So,
Very
ma'am,
good.
6.
-6. Excellent. Excellent. So 8 plus something is equal to 0.
Minus 0.
-0?
No, sorry, minus 8.
-8. What is this called? This is called
Bruh,
0 pair.
0 pair.
Okay, this is called 0 pair. Like +8 -8 because they make 0. So that's why they are called 0 pair. So now the next one, fifth question. -9 turned into -7.
So, ma'am, they will be unlike terms because you're
Excellent.
subtracting.
Yes.
So, plus
So 9 minus 7 is plus
2.
right? 9 minus 7, so plus 2. So -6 is changed into -8.
Ma'am, they will be like terms because we are adding, so minus 2.
Excellent. Excellent, Zainab. So what about the seventh one? +6
Now,
equal to
because
0.
there are unlike terms, minus 6.
Excellent. This is again a 0 pair. So -9 is changed into -3.
6. So, ma'am, subtraction, so plus 6.
Very right. Very good. Excellent. So you're such a brilliant child, You have taken the concept very quickly. All right. So next question is, what should be added to -11 to get 20? Now this is
Minus,
tricky.
no,
What
20.
should be added? Let me write down like this. Like it means they're asking you -11 plus there is a blank again equal to 20. So what should be added here so that you get 20 in the answer?
Then they have to be like terms
Hmm?
because we are adding them.
Actually, the answer is 20.
Hmm?
Answer is plus 20.
Yes, ma'am.
-11 but plus 20.
Hmm. Hmm. So in the blank, 20 will come.
If I write 20, this will be -11 plus 20. So what would be the answer? -11 plus 20.
9.
It would be plus 9. Remember the unlike terms. And
Yes,
we do
ma'am.
the subtraction and the sign of the bidder. So plus 9 aata hai, but we need 20 in the answer.
Yes, ma'am. S- Ma'am, if you
Because
are
है ना, like think like this कि minus to make this 0 minus 11 को खत्म करने के लिए I need to add 11, right? Because minus 11 plus 11 will make 0. ठीक है? So now I'm at 0. I need 20 more to get the answer 20. So how much I need to add?
ma'am, you
31 आता है, sorry 31. ठीक है, 31 आता है। तो बाकी जो आपके 20 नंबर हैं वो इसको बराबर करने के लिए हैं, इस जितना लाने। अच्छा, इसका एक और तरीका भी है। इफ यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इट लाइक दिस, तो एक और तरीका भी है। सिंपली इस तरह लिखते हैं 20 माइनस माइनस 11। रिमेंबर दैट आई टोल्ड यू yesterday कि व्हेन वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस, तो हम क्या
yes,
करते हैं, बिगर वैल्यू माइनस
value
smaller
minus
value, smaller value. So bigger value is 20 minus the smaller value. So it would be 20 plus 11, which is 31, right? So इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं। So अगर आप इसको नंबर लाइन पे सोचो ना जैनब, so what we are trying to do, हम minus 11 पे खड़े हैं and we want to go up to 20. हमने 20 पे जाना है। हमने ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इनके बीच में how many numbers are there, right? ये डिफरेंस
yes,
होता है। ठीक है, जब भी आप दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में कितने स्टेप्स हैं या कितने नंबर्स हैं ये निकालने की कोशिश करें ना, सो यू नीड टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, bigger value minus the smaller value. So it's 20 minus minus 11. You know that minus into minus will be plus. So it is 31. ठीक है?
and I get it now.
All right, very good. So moving on to next. We then the fourth onward, all the questions are questions of difference. So in Buffalo, New York, the temperature was minus 14 Fahrenheit in morning. If the temperature dropped 7 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature now? So in the morning, the temperature was minus 14,
Yes, ma'am.
and now it is dropped by
7 Fahrenheit.
oh, oh sorry, just 1 second. Mhm. Right. So now it's, earlier it was minus 14 and now it's dropped by 7 Fahrenheit. So how to calculate this? Minus 14 so if it is dropped by minus 7, so what would be the operation here? Dropped by 7. So what will be the operation here? Dropped by. Yeah. So what would be the operation in between? Can you tell me if the temperature was minus 14 in the morning and it is dropped by?
Ma'am, so we will subtract.
Very good. Dropped by means we will subtract. So can you subtract and tell me the answer? Just 1 second, Zainab, I'm coming back. Okay, just give me a minute. So can you find out the answer?
Ma'am, 7.
Minus 14. So
Ma'am,
minus 14 minus 7 would be,
the answer
the answer would be,
minus 7.
right? So generally, Zainab, what do you think? If the temperature is dropped, what do you think? The temperature will be more or less?
Ma'am, it will be less.
It would be less. So do you think if we say answer is minus 21, so is it the less temperature or more temperature?
Ma'am, it is the less temperature.
जी बेटे, it is the less temperature. ठीक है, तो that means our answer is making sense. It's a correct answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So bete, is the screen still shared?
Yes, ma'am. But I can't see the worksheet. The screen is shared, but I can't see the.
Can you see the worksheet now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me share it again then. So let me see if the screen is not shared. 1 second. Wait. So you still cannot see the worksheet? Okay, but I hope you can see it now. So, Ji Zainab, can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So it is minus 21 Fahrenheit. So then what about the next question?
The maximum. Ma'am, I can't see the whole question. I can only see till minus 4
All right.
Celsius.
So let's read the question together. The maximum and the minimum temperature of a city was 24 degrees Celsius and minus 4 degrees Celsius, respectively. So can you tell me, Bete, why this word is here, respectively? What does that
Mm,
mean, respectively? Like this word. Why this is there?
ma'am, like is telling us how
The
today like
maximum temperature, like the
usually the max
maximum, sorry?
usually like most of the time.
Nee, it means that in order, respectively. Like they are saying the maximum and minimum temperature. So the maximum temperature is 24 and the minimum temperature is minus 4, respectively, means in order. Like they are talking about the maximum temperature first now. So the maximum temperature is written first, right? So the
So
maximum temperature is 24 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is minus 4 degrees Celsius. So now we need to find out the difference. Now the word is also there, difference. So how
that
can we
means
calculate difference?
ma'am, we have to bigger value minus smaller, so 24
That's
Celsius
right,
minus
maximum.
uh, 4 minus 4 Celsius.
So 24 minus minus 4. One minus is for the sign here and one minus is the sign with the temperature. Are you getting this point? Why there are two minus signs?
Ma'am, because one is for the like operation,
That's
one
right.
is
And one is,
for the number
and
4.
one, that's right. One is with the number 4. So it would be 24 plus 4,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Because when there's a minus sign outside the bracket, it will change the sign inside.
Excellent. So what will be the total uh, temperature
And
difference?
28.
28 degrees Celsius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's move on to next question. So next question is, there are 40 questions in exam. 3 marks are awarded for each correct answer, while 2 marks are deducted for each incorrect answer. If Nina answered 32 questions correctly and 3 questions incorrectly, how many marks she get? So for every correct question, we need to give 3 marks, and for every incorrect question, we need to
Deduct.
subtract 2 marks. Yes, deduct 2 marks. So how many marks? So first of all, we can find out the
Correct answer.
correct
The
correct
answers.
answers. So how many correct answers?
Ma'am, she gets 32 correct answers.
So 32 multiplied by
3.
3. What is 32 into 3?
Ma'am, 96. 96.
Very good, 96. So 96 marks she got for the correct answers, right? So now how many marks would be deducted? Like incorrect answers.
Ma'am, so she gave 3 questions incorrectly.
That's right. So it would be 3 multiplied by
2. Because
2.
we deduct
So 6
marks.
marks. 6 marks will
6
be
marks.
deducted. So the total marks she get, the total
And
marks are
96.
96 minus 6.
6 equals to 9.
So 90 marks. It was a simple question, right? 90 marks she scored. So where the concept of integer is there, I don't think so. Can you see any negative number here?
No, ma'am.
So basically this is the negative number. It should be written like this: plus 96 and minus 6. Like plus 96 are correct answers and these are the marks for incorrect answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
देखिए ना, वैसे तो ज़ैनब अगर आप गौर करें तो ये टोटल किसका कीवर्ड है?
टोटल मैम
टोटल
जो मार्क्स 96 उसका
नहीं, लाइक टोटल किस ऑपरेशन का कीवर्ड होता है? टोटल
मैम प्लस का
प्लस का होता है ना, सम का होता है, लेकिन हम तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो ये हम असल में यूं कर रहे हैं, हमने यूं लिखा हुआ है प्लस 96 प्लस -6, समझ आ रही? ये
Yes,
इंटीजर्स है, ठीक है। असल में हम टोटल निकाल रहे हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज ये 6 के साथ माइनस का साइन अप है, ठीक है बेटे, आर वी क्लियर?
yes, ma'am.
Alright, so bete moving on to the next worksheet because this is finished. So let's see what is there in this worksheet. So then multiplication and division probably would be in this worksheet. No, it is still plus minus. So can I give you this worksheet as a home task? These
Ma'am.
questions only.
Okay, ma'am.
This one, or we can quickly discuss. So what do you think?
Ma'am,
Do
it's
you
your
want
choice.
me to tell me the answer? Do you want me to tell me the answer right now, or should I give you this as a homework? First two questions.
Ma'am, I think you should just give ma'am the homework, and I can just do it, and then I can send you the PDF. Sorry, the picture of
No,
my.
no. बिल्कुल सही. Just solve it on this worksheet, in your tablet or something, and then just send me the picture, okay? I will just check it. I'm sure you will do it right. So we will move on to these word problems. So question number 3 is Sarah burned 300 calories working out on a treadmill. Later, she indulged in a pizza that had calorie count of 400. So did she gain or lose calories? So what do you think? If working out, they can remember that the first worksheet we did. So calories working out and the calories she's taking in. So which one will be having positive sign and which one will be having negative sign?
300
So
will
working out is a gain of calories or loss of calories.
ma'am lose of calories.
That's
Lose.
right. It's losing calories. So we will write down minus 300.
But when
And
she's
this
eating
while
plus 400.
so plus 400. So how many? What would be the answer?
Ma'am, 100.
Plus 100. So plus sign is used. Remember that first worksheet we did in which they said like if plus $100 is profit, then minus $50 would be the loss. Okay, the same is the case here. If minus 300 is the calories burned, so then plus 400 are the calories she gained. So what would be if the answer is plus 100, it means she
And
gained how much?
100 calories.
100 calories, right? So how do we know it's a gain? Because it's a plus sign. Okay, so she gained 100 calories. So next question is Bilal gets into the elevator on the second floor of shopping mall. He goes up 9 floors to reach a bookstore. Okay, so he was on second floor, and then he goes up to 9 floor. So on which floor he is now?
Ma'am, 11th.
So 11th. So the floor for bookstore is 9 plus, yeah, 2 plus 9, it's 11. So now after 1 hour, he moves down 3 floors to grab a
Ma'am,
bite. So
11
it would be
minus 3
11 minus 3 plus 11 minus 3. So it would be
8
on which floor he is?
plus 8. Yeah, only
Plus
8.
8. 8 only or plus 8, it's fine. Okay? So he's on the 8th floor. So we in the word problems, we need to answer according to the question. So that's why we will say he's on the 8th floor. All right. So the next question is the temperature of a place was 6 Fahrenheit in the morning. At noon, the temperature rose by 13. So, and then it was dropped by 4. So how we are going to write down? It was
Ma'am, so
6,
Fahrenheit in the morning, in the
6 Fahrenheit.
it increased by 13, so plus 13.
Very good. And then it dropped by. So dropped by means minus 4.
Minus.
All right. So if I ignore the Fahrenheit, so it is 6 plus 13 minus
mi-
4.
So, ma'am, first we'll solve the 6 plus 13.
That's right. So it's a board math says if there is plus minus, so we solve it from left to right. So 6 plus 13 is
Ma'am, 19.
19. Very good. Plus 19. Plus 19 and minus 4 would be
So 15.
unlike integers. So sign of bigger integer and the operation is subtraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So the last question is the mercury thermometer records a temperature of 10 Fahrenheit at 9 a.m. So if the temperature drops by 3 Fahrenheit every hour, so what will be the temperature by 2 p.m.?
Ma'am, for
So how should
2
we
p.m.
solve it?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
first we'll see how many hours are between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m.
Very right. So 9 a.m. and
and 2 p.m.
2 p.m. So how many hours? So
Ma'am,
9 to 12. 9 to 12, how many hours? 3 hours.
nine, yes, ma'am, 3 hours, and 12
And then
to p.m. There are 2 hours.
2
So
hours.
5
So
total.
total 5 hours, right? So 10 Fahrenheit is the temperature. Let's solve it over here. 10 Fahrenheit was the temperature. Let me change the color so that you can see clearly. So temperature was 10 Fahrenheit at 9. So it drops how much? By 3
Ma'am,
Fahrenheit. So what
3.
would be the temperature at 12? Like
Ma'am,
what would be the
minus.
temperature at 10?
Ma'am, it would be 9.
9?
9 Fahrenheit.
The temperature drops by 3 Fahrenheit. So at
Right.
10 a.m., what would be the temperature? 3 Fahrenheit. Every time we need to do minus 3,
So, ma'am, 7 Fahrenheit.
7 Fahrenheit, right? So at 11 p.m., what would be the temperature?
4 Fahrenheit.
Sorry, 11 a.m., what would be the temperature?
4
4
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. Very right. So then at 12 p.m., what would be the temperature?
Fahrenheit.
1 Fahrenheit. So it was fine till now numbers were, because the integers were plus. So how
Yes.
much would be the temperature at 1 p.m.?
Ma'am, minus 2 Fahrenheit.
Minus 2. Very good. Minus 2
And then
Fahrenheit. And then
5 Fahrenheit.
minus 5 Fahrenheit. Excellent. So the answer to the question, what will be the temperature by 2 p.m.? So
Minus
temperature
5
at 2 p.m. would be minus 5 Fahrenheit. Very good. So any question till this point?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Beta. So do I need to send you this part? I should
Yes.
send the picture? Okay.
No, ma'am. You can send the picture or just the PDF.
Okay. Chalo. I can do that also. ठीक. So let's see, because we were only doing plus and minus up till now. So I hope this worksheet will be having multiplication and division. And then probably the last worksheet is having mixed operations, right? So let's quickly go through this one. So what are the rules of multiplication and division again?
Ma'am, if they in multiplication, if in division, if there's the same sign, the
Hmm.
sign will be plus and we will solve it
So
normally.
if same sign, so then the
Yes.
answer would be having positive sign. If
And
different sign,
then the answer would be
so
having the minus sign.
very right. Okay. So now let's solve this. Can you tell me 7 multiplied by minus 2?
Ma'am, so
Different
there are
sign.
different signs of minus 14.
Excellent. 5 into 7,
Ma'am,
same sign,
35.
plus 35. Very good. So minus 10 into 2, different signs,
20.
minus 20. 5 into minus 4, different
Ma'am,
sign.
again minus 20.
Very good. 10 into minus 5, different signs again.
Minus 50.
Very right. So then minus 7 into 5, different
Ma'am,
sign.
minus 35.
Very good. So now minus 7 into 7,
Ma'am, minus 49.
very right. So minus 6 into 8,
Ma'am, so the minus.
hmm,
Ma'am,
48.
minus
6 8s
48.
are 48. Minus 3 into 6,
18.
minus 18,
18.
right? So now,
Yes.
now find the quotient. What is quotient?
Ma'am, the answer.
That's right, the answer. So minus 176 divided by 11. What should be the
Oh,
sign? Unlike.
ma'am, minus.
Minus. So 11 ones are 11 and the 6 remainder, so 11 6 are 16. 66. ठीक है? Minus 16. So 33 divided by 11.
33, ma'am. So the answer will be in plus and 3.
Plus 3. Very good. 54 divided by 2.
So answer will be in plus 27.
Very good. So minus 190 plus divided by 2. Unlike
Ma'am,
sign.
unlike sign, so minus. So
Hmm.
50, 95.
95. Very right. 4 divided by 4.
0 or 1.
1 1. ठीक है? Minus 10 divided by minus 10.
Ma'am, plus 1.
Plus 1. Very good. ठीक है? So I hope there is no confusion.
No, ma'am.
All right. So now these one. So the mixed operations. 13 minus 54. Definitely there is a plus sign here.
And my
Plus 13 minus 54. Unlike integers.
plus
So we do subtraction. And
40,
sorry, 40,
1.
41, right? और sign किसका आएगा? The bigger
Ma'am,
number.
4 का
Minus 41. ठीक है? Minus 41. So now minus 600 divided by 15. Unlike integers, so sign क्या होगा?
minus.
Minus. And if you divide it like 15 into 4 is 60, so minus 40. ठीक है?
40.
15 twos are 30 होता है ना? तो
40.
15 fours are 60 होता है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So now this one. There are two multiplication sign. ये जो अंदर वाले minus sign है ये तो integer का sign है ना?
Ma'am.
जैसे इसके साथ प्लस है. So हम कैसे solve करते हैं? According to board maths, we solve from
Left.
left to
Left.
right. What is the answer of these two?
Ma'am, they're unlike them, so minus and 20. 20.
Minus 20. Very good. So now minus 20 is multiplied with minus 100.
Minus 10. Ma'am, isn't it minus 10?
कौन सा? Minus 10.
Minus
Sorry.
10.
Minus 10. Sorry. So minus 20 multiplied with minus 10. Like integers.
So
Hmm?
plus sign. Plus sign.
Hmm. G
200. 200.
plus 200. Very good. So now this one. Plus 50 divided by 8.
Again, we have to do from left to right.
G. 50 divided by A minus 8.
Man, they're unlike terms.
Hmm.
So the sign of minus.
Minus. Hmm. And I think so this cannot be divided.
Yes, ma'am.
We can simplify probably.
Yes. Simplification.
तो ये 24 by अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड लाइक अगर ये आता है ना minus 50 by 8 so we can divide it with 2 so ये क्या
Yes,
होगा
ma'am.
minus 25 by
4.
4 right so we can write it down like this minus 25 by 4 divided
And
by
then,
minus 5 तो अब कैसे होगा सॉल्व साइन क्या आएगा माइनस एंड माइनस
so ma'am, plus. Because they're like.
प्लस और आप देखें इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं यहाँ पर हम रफ वर्क में कर लेते हैं देखो -24/5 or because it is division sign so if I change this sign into multiplication sign so what will happen to this -5 it will be
It will be 1.
reciprocal
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ये
Reciprocal.
आपने
Yes.
fractions में पढ़ा था ना when we
Ma'am,
change division sign into multiplication sign जी बेटे
ma'am, you've written 24 by 5. Where did you get that number?
sorry
24 by 5. Minus 24 by 5.
ओहो ये 25/4 था
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना ओहो
Yes,
sorry
ma'am.
my fault so then I can cancel it
Yes.
like ये 25/4 था sorry my fault so then I can cancel this can you see this 5 can be cancelled with this 25 so ये आता है -5/4 like plus
Minus.
5/4 right is it clear
Yes,
or not
ma'am.
okay
It's clear. Ma'am, a little
okay
confusion.
okay let's do it again then
You
let me
don't like,
write it down
ma'am, like 25 5 multiply with 1 and 4 multiply with 5 in multiplication.
so one second let me write down the question here somewhere you know the question was देखो I'm changing the color also so that this is clear where we are solving the question was uh, what was the question again 50 divided by, so the question was
8
50 divided by minus 8 divided
multiply.
by minus 5. Okay, this
Yes,
was the
ma'am.
question. So now first of all we solve this part because we need to go from left to right. So 50 divided by minus 8. So I told you ये है ना माइनस का साइन आएगा because it's unlike माइनस आएगा और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 50 by 8. So
Yes,
divided by minus 5. अब देखें इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लें तो ये आपके पास आता है -25 by
4.
8
4,
divided
ma'am.
by,
Divided.
oh
Ma'am, we
sorry,
have
4
divided
4 4 4 4, yes. So now what to do? Now this division sign will be
with
changed
the
into
multiplication.
multiplication sign. So -25 by 4 multiplied with minus
1,
1 by 5.
5.
So now we can solve. Both are negative, like integers are multiplied. So answer would be,
25
no, like
by
answer would be, what would be the sign of the answer?
ma'am plus.
Plus. So now this 25 and 5 can be cancelled now because 25 is in the numerator and this is in the denominator and there is a multiplication. So we can cancel it. 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. So
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
left with 5 in the numerator and 4 in the
Denominator.
denominator. Okay, are we clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So plus 5 by 4 would be the answer. So now this E part. So E part is having which operations? There is a plus
Plus
and a
minus.
minus and a multiplication. So which one we need to do first?
Ma'am, multiplication.
That's right. We need to solve this part first. Okay. So rest of the numbers we will write down as it is plus minus 45. Okay. So now this part. Minus 10 is multiplied with minus 4. So what would be the sign?
Ma'am, plus
Plus
and 40.
40. Very good. Right. So देखिए, Zainab, you need to understand okay, this one sign, let me just highlight it. This sign is basically the operation. ये plus और ये minus. ये बाकी sign क्या है?
Ma'am, they're the sign of the numbers.
They are
Like the number
sign of the integers. Because हमने
integers.
शुरू में पढ़ा था ना, integers are numbers with sign. तो
Right.
इंटीजर का साइन होना बहुत जरूरी. जैसे इस 100 का साइन है माइनस, इस 45 का साइन है माइनस और इस 40 का साइन है प्लस. So now there is only plus and minus in the expression. So we go from left to right. So -100, -100, -45. What would be the
Uh,
answer?
like integers, so plus
No, no,
145.
no, no. They are not multiplied. Plus nahi. -100, -45.
Yeah, ma'am, they're like integers.
So then the sign remain same and the numbers are added. Right?
So ma'am, 145.
-145 minus plus 40. So आप मुझे बताएं. ये प्लस और माइनस माइनस ही बन जाता है. तो अब मुझे बताएं क्या होगा. -145 -40. Like integers again. So what would be the
Ma'am,
answer?
the
Minus
minus and 185.
185. Very good. ठीक है. So you need to
Yes.
be careful of the operation. So -3 -5. So again we will follow board math. Board math says brackets should get the priority, right?
So
So
I will
brackets
solve
will get,
question
you will
in the
solve the inside the brackets first. So -3 -5. What would be the answer?
so minus 8.
Excellent. And -3 -4.
Ma'am, minus 7.
Very good. So now the multiplication. The same signs are multiplied. So answer would be
Plus
plus,
8,
and 8 into 7 is 50.
6.
All right. So then this one. So now which operation we will do first?
Ma'am, division.
Division and multiplication. Both we can do on the same step. Okay? We can
Yeah.
do division and multiplication together in one step. So -5 into 6.
Ma'am, they're unlike terms.
Hmm. So
So minus
minus
35.
minus
35.
6 5 is 30.
30. Yes, ma'am, 30. And then
So
ma'am,
minus
minus 18
18
divided by minus
minus.
3.
So if you can think like this, -18 divided by -3. So -18 divided by -3. So like terms, What would
Yes,
be the
ma'am.
answer?
Ma'am, so the like term, so the answer would be in plus
Plus, and 18
6.
divided by 3 is 6. So now we can simply solve this operation.
Ma'am, the
Minus
unlike.
30 plus 6, unlike terms. So we
So,
will
ma'am,
do the subtraction
that's
and the sign of the bigger number. So what will be the answer?
24.
Minus 24. Very good. So now the bracket would be solved first in question number 3. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
can you see the questions clearly, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will solve bracket first. Minus 3 into minus 2 multiplied with what will come in the bracket? 2 minus 5.
Ma'am, two. So the unlike terms.
Hmm.
We'll
So we
put
will
the sign,
subtract.
subtract
That's
them.
right.
Minus 3, and we'll put the minus sign. And
That's
ma'am, to
right.
the power.
Very good. अच्छा now tell me, अब देखिए हमने power solve करनी है first. So what is minus 3 square? I told you yesterday कि if there is a negative number with even power, so answer would be
In the even number.
नहीं, even number नहीं. Will it be
Or
negative or positive? If minus sign is having even power, so the answer is always
odd.
plus.
Plus.
नहीं, plus. माइनस
And
साइन की इवन पावर हो तो आंसर प्लस होता है, और अगर
okay,
माइनस साइन की ऑड पावर हो तो आंसर क्या होता है? माइनस होता है. हमने पहले साइन डिसाइड करना है ना. सो माइनस साइन इवन पावर, सो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? प्लस होगा. ठीक है, ये समझ आ रही
ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am.
सो 3 स्क्वायर क्या होगा बेटे? व्हाट इज 3 स्क्वायर?
9.
वेरी राइट. So it would be plus 9. So now we need to go from left to right. What is this? Minus 3 minus 2.
Ma'am, they're like terms.
That's right.
So we'll put the
Plus,
plus sign.
and 3
6.
twos are 6.
6.
Multiplied with plus 9. So
Ma'am,
again the same sign. So answer is
same sign.
plus and
54.
very good. Okay. So last question. Oh, sorry, second last. Minus 4 into 2. I hope this was not in the power.
No, ma'am, it isn't. Ma'am, and so there's a
So minus.
multiplication between them.
Hmm. So
Yes, ma'am.
unlike numbers are multiplied, so what would be the answer? Minus 4 into 2.
Ma'am, so the
Minus,
minus in 8.
very good. Minus 8 divided by minus 8 plus 3. We are solving the bracket first, multiplied with what is 2 cube?
Ma'am, so we have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times.
So what is that?
Ma'am, 8.
Can you do it? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8.
8.
So this is 8. So now which operation? We can do this division as well as this multiplication together. Okay? So what is minus 8 divided by minus 8?
Ma'am, there are like terms, so plus
And 8 divided by 8 is
1.
1. Okay? Plus. So 8 threes are 24. So what
So
would be the final answer? Plus 1
if I
plus 24.
plus
25.
the
Okay?
yes, ma'am.
So now the last question is a bit tricky. So we will do it from one side to other. First of all, let's solve the brackets. Minus 2 multiplied with what would be minus 2 cube? पहले मुझे बताएं ज़ैनब, साइन क्या होगा? माइनस साइन की ऑड पावर.
And minus because when there's a odd, it will be minus
Very good. And 2 cube is
8.
8, right? So now it is minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus minus 2
Minus
multiplied by 3. बाकी सब कुछ ऐसे ही रहेगा. So minus 1 का स्क्वायर, माइनस साइन की इवन पावर क्या होती है?
plus
प्लस. और 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा?
1.
1 होगा. ऑलराइट. सो अब देखिए हम क्या सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अ प्लस, प्लस कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व फर्स्ट. सो बाकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई देम and then all these also we can multiply them and then it at the end we can add them. Okay, so let's multiply. What is minus 2 multiplied by minus 8?
They like them, so the plus sign will come.
G. And 8
There's
twos
the
are
answer.
16, right? Multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 3. So I'm solving this part first. Okay, so minus 16 into minus 2 क्या होगा? Plus
Ma'am,
into
the
minus.
ma'am 32.
Very good. 32 into 3. So what would be the final answer? Minus 32 plus 3.
Ma'am,
So minus
96.
minus 96. Okay, now let's solve this part. Acha, minus 2 into 3,
Ma'am, they're unlike terms.
unlike terms. So what will be the answer?
In minus, the answer will be in minus
Mhm. And 3 twos
6.
are 6. Very good. Plus 1. Oh, sorry, multiplied with plus 1. So
Ma'am, the
now
answer will no.
minus minus 6
Terms,
into plus 1.
ma'am,
So क्या आएगा?
into minus the unlike terms
And 6
minus
ones are
1 6.
ठीक है. So now this is plus minus 6. So minus 96 minus 6 would be
Like terms.
Mhm.
So the answer. So we are adding to minus
Mhm.
100.
102. Very good. So are you able to understand also,
Yes,
Zainab?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Beta. So let's see quickly what is there in the last worksheet. So then some of that I will give you as a home task and the rest you can do, we can do together. So this is the last worksheet of this topic. Right. So what do you think about these? Can you solve this question one as a home task also?
Ma'am.
Okay, I will share this picture also. You can just write down, you can just edit the picture, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So then first question was easy, so you can do it. What about this one?
Ma'am, I can do it.
So do you want to do it right now?
No, I can do it in homework.
All right. So would you be able, will it be a lot of homework or you would be able to do it?
No, ma'am, I will be able to do it. It's easy. We have already
All,
learned.
all right. So what about this fifth part, Zainab? This one. Minus 2 by 7 multiplied by minus 1, 5 by 12. So what to do?
Ma'am, like how we learned to multiply fractions, and our ma'am taught us just to multiply the bottom numbers with each other and the top numbers with each other.
So do you not simplify before multiplication? Like I can
No,
see I can cancel this 2 and 12.
like
So I
after we get the answer, then we simplify it
all
after.
right, it's up to you. So then what would be the answer of this? Minus 2 by 7 minus 5 by 12. What
Ma'am,
would be the
they're
sign?
like terms, so the sign would be plus.
That's right. And then the numerator would be 5 twos are,
5 twos are 10.
and the denominator would be 7 into 12.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay,
Ma'am, 84.
84. So now you can still divide.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can cancel it. So it would be plus 5 by
5. Ma'am, you do
42,
42.
right? So that would
Yes.
be the answer. Now, what about this question number 6? There is a decimal in the question. So how to do it? So what would be the sign of the answer? Minus and minus,
Ma'am, they're
like integers are
plus.
plus. So then
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to solve the numbers now? So can you multiply 2.5 with 0.3?
Yes, ma'am.
So how to do, like you have learned it in, I think so, 5 class, how to multiply decimals.
Ma'am, so we like forget there is a decimal point for
That's
now.
right. And we multiply the
Normally,
numbers.
how we usually
We
multiply.
multiply the numbers, right? 25 into 3. So 25 threes are 75. So now we put the decimal back by counting the number of decimal places. So there was one decimal place here and one decimal place here. So it means I will put the decimal back in two decimal places, right? So the answer would be
7 5.
0.75. Are you clear, Bete?
Ma'am, like, but like, why did you put the decimal point after, like, before 7